Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Inn Naugatuck-Shelton, CT. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring free Wi-Fi, Comfort Inn Naugatuck is 7.3 miles from Naugatuck Valley Community College. Free private parking is available on site. All guest rooms have flat-screen TVs, coffee makers, hair dryers and ironing facilities. There is a business center, laundry facilities and fitness center on site. A hot breakfast, featuring eggs, meat and yogurt, is served every morning. Afternoon tea is offered daily. The city of Naugatuck, Connecticut, which is 0.8 miles from the property, is located along the Naugatuck River, south of Waterbury. Several restaurants, cocktail lounges, entertainment areas and shopping venues are in the vicinity. Tweed New Haven Regional Airport is 24 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.